Hello children, welcome to our maths class. In our previous class we have completed word problems. That means we have come across additions, subtractions, and for subtractions checking also we have learned. Today we will learn about addition and subtraction both. The combination of both addition and subtraction. Which chapter we are learning now? We are learning second chapter. What is the name of our second chapter? Our second chapter is Fundamental Operations. Second chapter is Fundamental Operations. Fundamental Operations. What are the fundamental operations? The fundamental operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are the four fundamental operations. In the four fundamental operations, we have learned about addition and subtraction. Now, today we are going to learn addition and subtraction. That means combination of both addition and subtraction. Combining of addition and subtraction. Combining addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Then what is meant by combining addition and subtraction? ఇంతకు ముందు వరకు మనం addition ని separate గా subtraction ని separate గా నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. Combining means we have to join the two. We have to mix the two. రెండు కలిపి ఎలా చేయాలో. For example, how to do that type of problems. First question, one question I am writing here. 237 plus 48 minus 123. It is a question. Here addition, combining addition and subtraction. Addition ni subtraction ni కలిపి రాయాలి. ఇంతకు ముందు వరకు మనం only we have addition symbol then how to do. Only if we have subtraction symbol then how to do. Only additions ఉంటే ఎలా చేయాలి, only subtractions ఉంటే ఎలా చేయాలి నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. Here what we have here, addition symbol are there, is there, subtraction symbol also is there. If we have both symbols then how to do that problems, how to find the solutions for that problems, how to find the solutions. See here, look at the board everyone. First here we have 237. After 237 here we have 48. So 48 I am writing here C. Now between these two numbers, what is the symbol here? Between these two numbers here we have addition symbol. So write addition symbol only. Then add these two. 7 plus 8 it gives 15. 5 we have to write here. 1 becomes carry. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 4 8. Here 2 for 2 there is no number to add. So you have to write 2 as this. 285. We got 285. From this 285, the combining of both, that means the addition of 237 plus 48, it gives 285. From this sum, we have to subtract 123. We have to subtract 123. Why you have to subtract? Simply here they have given subtraction symbol, so we have to subtract. So how much we have to subtract from 225? From the 225 we have to subtract 123. 3, 2, 1. Now subtract. 5 minus 3, 2. 8 minus 2, 6. 2 minus 1, 1. So here the answer is the combination of addition and subtraction. 237 plus 48 minus 123. The answer is 162. Like that. Here first if you have addition symbol you have to go for addition. If you have subtraction symbol you have to go for subtraction. More I am taking here. 379 minus 234 plus 279. Now here they have given three numbers. For the three numbers we have to find the answer. First we will take these two numbers. Between these two numbers what is the symbol here? Minus. So 3, 7, 9 minus 4, 3, 2. Here why I am subtracting first? ఎందుకు నేను ఫస్ట్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తున్నాను? Because here between these two numbers first we have subtraction symbol only. So we have to do subtraction. Now subtract. Is 9 minus 4 is possible? Yes. 9 minus 4 is 5. 7 minus 3 is 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer of 379 minus 234 is 145. For this 145 we have to add 279. Why we have to add 279? 279 ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేయాలి? Because between after 234 we have addition symbol. From this subtraction ఈ రెండు సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేయగా వచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ కి 279 ని యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడ మధ్యలో అడిషన్ సింబల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి యాడ్ చేయాలి. So I am adding here 145. From this 145 we have to add 279. 9 7 2 plus 9 plus 5 14. 4 you have to write here, 1 becomes carried to the next number. 7 plus 4 11. 11 plus 1 12. 2 you have to write here, 1 becomes carried. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. So answer is 424. Like this you have to do. Understanding? This is the combination of addition and subtraction. This is the combination of addition and subtraction. See, I'll take more one. (3,725) minus 1,648 plus 1049. Now for this it is a 4-digit number. Up to now we have learned how to do addition and subtraction. That means ఇంతవరకు 3-digit numbers కి ఎలా చేయాలో నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. Now I have written here 4-digit numbers. Now how to do addition and subtraction for 4-digit numbers. If you have 4 digits, 3 7 2 5 plus 8 4 6 1. Now what we have to do? Addition or subtraction? Very good. We have to do subtraction. Because why? Here we have why? Because here we have subtraction symbol. ఈ రెండు నెంబర్స్ మధ్యలో subtraction symbol ఉంది కాబట్టి subtraction చేయాలి. Now I am subtracting. The symbol of subtraction is minus. Is 5 minus 8 is possible? No. Then what you have to do? If that is not possible, then you have to take borrow. From where you have to take borrow? You have to take borrow from the next number. 10. Borrow is 10. Here we have 5. That is 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. Then afterwards 2. From where you are taking borrow? From that number 1 will decrease. మీరు ఏ నెంబర్ నుంచి అయితే borrow తీసుకుంటున్నారో ఆ నెంబర్ నుండి ఒక నెంబర్ తగ్గిపోతుంది కదా. So here 2 becomes 1. Is 1 minus 4 is possible? Is 1 minus 4 is possible? 1 లో నుండి 4 separate చేయడం possible అవుతుందా? No. If that is not possible, then again you have to take borrow. Take borrow from 7. Here the borrow is 10. Already here we have 1. So 10 plus 1 total it gives 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. Okay. Then come to the next number. Here the next number is 7. But from the 7 we have taken borrow. నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ 7 ఉంది కానీ 7 ని మనం బారో తీసుకున్నాం కదా. ఎంత బారో తీసుకున్నాము? ఫ్రమ్ ద 7 we have taken borrow. So from 7 if 1 will decrease, 7 నుండి ఒక నెంబర్ తగ్గిపోతే ఏముంటుందన్నా? 7 will become 6. Is 6 minus 6 is possible? Yes, 6 minus 6 is 0. Subtracting a number from itself. Same number నుండి అదే నెంబర్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది నాన్న? 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2077. We got the subtraction of these two is 2077. For this 2077 we have to add 1049. 9401 plus, okay, 7 plus 9 16. 6 1 becomes carry. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 4 12. 2 1 will be carry. 0 plus 1 1. 1 plus 0 1. 2 plus 1 3. So answer is 3126. Like that. If you have addition symbol, first of all you have to go for addition. If you have subtraction symbol, then you have to go for subtraction. Like this you have to complete. So in exercise 2.4 we have completed word problems. After the word problems we have combination of addition and subtraction is there. So afterwards in page number 31 we have exercise 2.5. Our exercise 2.5 is about this only. Combining of addition and subtraction. Now those who have textbooks, open your textbooks nana. Now see in your textbooks, ఒకసారి textbooks open చేసి textbook లో చూడండి. ఇక్కడ పేజ్ నెంబర్ 31 లో మనకి ఏమున్నాయంటే పేజ్ నెంబర్ 2.5 exercise 2.5 is there. In the exercise 2.5 a bit, simplify the following. Here one bit is there, that is simplify the following. Second bit word problems. I will explain the word problems, but today we have to complete first bit. In the first bit we have 6 problems. I will explain 2 or 3, then remaining all are your homework. Okay. Exercise 2.5. Exercise 2.5. A bit simplify the following. Simplify the following. First question, 2335 minus 1545 plus, sorry Nana, here only plus, 2335 plus 1545 minus 3666. It is the first question. Now we will find the solution for the first question. Now solution. First, 2335 plus 1545. Between these two numbers we have addition symbol. So we have to do addition. 2, 3, 3, 5. Now 1545 we have to write from right side to left side. Now 5, 4, 5, 1. Then add these two. 5 plus 5, 10, 0 here, 1 will be carry. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 1, 3. 3880. From this 3880, we have to subtract. ఎందుకు సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ సింబల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. How much we have to subtract? 3666. Now write here, write this number here. 3880. 6, 6, 6, 3. Then we have to do subtraction. Is 0 minus 6 is possible? 0 and 6 subtract cheyadam possible avutunda? No. Then take borrow from the next number. Next number is 8. Take borrow from 8. Borrow is 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 8 will becomes 8. Borrow తీసుకున్న నెంబర్ నుండి ఒక నెంబర్ తగ్గిపోతుంది అన్నానా? From this 8, if one number will decrease means 8 will be 7. 7 minus 6 is 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now no need to count the 0 because for this 214 this 0 is left side. ఈ 214 కి 0 అనేది left side లో ఉంది. ఆల్రెడీ మనం నేర్చుకున్నాము. If any number, if I have written some, for example if I have written 4, for this 4 if we have written 0 to the left side of this 4, then there is no value for this 0. Same 0 if you have right side, then there is a value for 0. Now it becomes 40. ఏదైనా నెంబర్ కి 0 ని లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ లో రాస్తే ఆ 0 కి వాల్యూ ఉండదు. అదే 0 ని మీరు రైట్ సైడ్ లో రాయండి, there is a value for the 0. So here there is no value for the 0. Here we got the answer is 214. Understand? Now second problem is second problem is 7763 plus 4594. 7763 plus 4594 minus 306. First we have to do addition or subtraction. First time we are addition or subtraction? Addition, because we have addition symbol only. So 7, 7, 6, 3. We have to add 4594. 4, 9, 5, 4. Add 4, 3 plus 4, 7. 6 plus 9, 15. 5 have to write here, 1 will be carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 3 here, 1 will be carry. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. It is 12,357. From this 12,357, we have to subtract 306. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. We have to subtract 306. 6, 0, 3. We have to subtract చేయాలి కాబట్టి subtraction minus symbol రాశాను. 7 minus 6. Is 7 minus 6 is possible? Yes. 7 minus 6 it gives 1. Is 5 minus 0 is possible? 5 లో నుండి 0 subtract చేయడం possible అవుతుందా? Subtraction properties of subtraction. If you subtracting any number from 0, then answer is number itself. ఏదైనా నెంబర్ నుండి 0 subtract చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది నాన్న? Answer is number itself. So 5 minus 0 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. From this 2 there is no number to subtract. ఈ 2 నుండి number subtract చేయడానికి లేదు కాబట్టి we have to write the 2 as it is. Well, also we have to write as it is. So answer is 12,051. 12,051. So 2 problems have completed. Remaining, how many are there? More 4 problems are there. More 4 problems are your homework. You have to complete that. Otherwise, I explain more on third one. Third one also I will explain. Remaining 3 you have to complete. First one, second one, third one. Third question is 2,405 minus 1,209 plus 3,568. Now, first you have to do addition or subtraction. First you have to do subtraction. Why you have to do subtraction? Because first we have subtraction symbol only. From this 2,405, we have to subtract 1,209. 9, 0, 2, 1. Subtract. Is 5 minus 9 is possible? No. Then what you have to do? You have to take borrow. From where you have to take borrow? You have to take borrow from the next number. But here the next number is 0. After you have to go for another number. Then you have to take borrow from 4. 4 to 0, 0 to 5. Here 9, here 0, here 9. Here 4 will be 3. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. 9 minus 0. Subtracting any number from 0. Answer is number itself. Subtraction properties of subtraction నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. ఏదైనా నెంబర్ నుండి 0 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ నంబర్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. సో సేమ్ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి 9. 3 minus 2. From this 3 you have to subtract 2. 3 minus 2 it is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1,196. For this 1,196 we have to add 3,568. 1,196 plus 8, 6, 5, 3. యాడ్ చేయండి. ఎందుకు యాడ్ చేయాలంటే ఇక్కడ అడిషన్ సింబల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఈ రెండు సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయవచ్చిన ఆన్సర్ని ఈ ఆన్సర్కి ఈ నెంబర్తో యాడ్ చేయాలి. యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా చూడండి. 6 plus 8 14. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 6 16. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 5 7. 1 plus 3 4. Answer is 4,764. Okay. Like this you have to complete. 3 problems are completed. Remaining 3 are your homework. You have to complete that homework and you have to send to me. Next is 2.5. First bit, A bit. Simplify the following. 3 problems are completed. 4th one, 5th one, 6th one is your homework. Complete your homework and send to me. If you have not understood, ask to me, call to me, ask to me, I'll explain again. Okay?